All right. Hey everyone. We are back at the famous Lone Star Garage in Sugar Land, Texas. I just discovered that today is the 28-year anniversary of elevator photography, so I decided to make a return and do an updated 2021 take of these elevators here. The most overly filmed I ever did here in Sugar Land. So with that being said, let's see how these things are doing today. Excuse the child in the background. This is the right elevator car. It's making a lot of noise since I last came. All right, gonna go to 6. This elevator car is running a lot better. It's running a lot better than before. Except for that segment right there is still out. These are your fixtures. As you see, there's your phone. So you see they put in a new phone right there. It used to be black. That says push to talk and a red button. Anyway, we'll go for one more ride and then we'll catch the other car. Like I said, that segment right there needs a new light. See right there, as the camera will focus, that right there is your interlock. This is the exact same interlock I have at home. See, look, you see the inside of it. See the inside of it. That's the same exact interlock that I have in my collection at home. Okay then. Okay, that was hilarious. Camden is probably gonna love that. that was a weird door controller. This is fast for 6 floors. Alright, what we'll do is I'm gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car. This is the elevator car that used to make a lot of scraping noises, but it's a lot better now. Or we'll capture this car right here. And here it is. Get a much better view of the interlock right there. All right, let's go to 6. My camera just lost the focus. I didn't even notice it. The fan's kind of obnoxious. Go 1. Love that chime. Oh, cancel my call. That's funny. We all know and love these elevators. And we got someone coming up. You going up? Your floor? 2. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's your phone. Here we are at 6. See it along. Oh wow, it still have the same exact lock on the other one. See? You can see the inside of it. You can see the wires. Look at that. Wow, I've never seen that before. Here, let's get one last view of these fixtures. And we'll head back down to end there. Anyways, we'll ring the bell. That chime is such a musical. Now, just FYI, in case if anyone wonders, yes, I still do film elevators, but occasionally. I'm just going to be sticking with the Texas A&M videos for now, from last year, so let's ring the bell one more time. Alright, watch it close. There it goes. That concludes the 2021 take of the elevators here at the Lone Star Parking Garage at Sugarland Town Square. As we all know, Texas is the Lone Star State. So with that being said, happy 28-year anniversary of elevator photography. I'm glad I made an updated take of this. And as you can barely see, it's pretty cloudy outside today, and barely see it's pouring down rain a little bit. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will do the Texas garage at a later time. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that is going to be it.